Hello everybody, so today I want to show you this fake solar power bank from China. So it should be charging on solar, and you can see it shows actually when I put it on the sun, you can see the green lamp showing it's charging. You see now it's disappeared. When I put it on the sun, it is showing like it is charging, but even after 2 days on bright sun it is not charged even little. So today what I will do, I will try to open this fake solar power bank and let's see what is inside it. Okay, now we will try to disassemble it, but before that I will show you like this fake. They are showing that it is capacity 20,000, but it is, I think it is around 200-300, because even if I charge it on electricity, it cannot charge my phone more than 10%. So here you have like these two ports. One is to charge it on electricity and another is to charge from it your phone, like to use it like power bank, and it has small lamp here. So we'll try now to open it and see what is inside. I think this whole thing solar is connected just to power this small light, nothing more. Okay, I'll try to be careful just to see precisely what is connected this solar thing. Okay, I'll need to remove this. Okay, so here we have solar, and let's see on what it is connected. Okay, it is glued, so I'll try carefully to... Okay, so as we can see, this solar is not connected only on the lamp like I think it, but it is connected on this circuit. And where is the lamp for charging? If we put this back, it will be somewhere here. Okay, so you can see this battery, it is very bad. This explains how bad this power bank was. You see, this Chinese piece of shit. We will see now what is inside, because it is so bad. Okay, let's try to open this battery. But we should be careful not to damage it, because maybe it can explode or something like that. Here we go. You see this? This is their battery. Fake like everything else from these Chinese guys. You can see this is the battery for this solar power bank. Just some paper plates. I don't know even how this worked to charge phone for 10%. Okay guys, so you see now what this solar power bank deserves to be done. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.